Intel EMA Functionality Overview. Welcome to this tutorial where we will provide you with an overview of the different functionalities that are available on the Intel EMA web interface for an endpoint. We will show also how you can execute certain commands at once on different endpoints. Step 1. Starting from home screen. We'll start the process by navigating to the home screen of your Intel EMA web interface. Step 2. Accessing endpoints. Click on the endpoints icon on the left sidebar to access the list of endpoints. You may need to select some filters to limit the number of endpoints that are shown. On the left side, you can select filters based on the endpoint group, connection status, power state, or Intel EMA status. You have the possibility to launch certain actions on several endpoints at once. For instance, select multiple endpoints and click on Actions. You will see a drop-down menu of the possible actions, mainly power control commands. Some actions are grayed out since they cannot be executed on all selected endpoints. Step 3. Endpoint View. Let us focus on a particular endpoint. Click on View for an endpoint. The General tab for the selected endpoint will be shown. Different tabs are available. The General tab displays general information about the endpoint, such as power state and connection status. In the Hardware Manageability tab, you can perform out-of-band Intel registered AMT operations. It can only be used when the endpoint is a vPro PC with provisioning completed and Sira needs to be connected. The Desktop tab provides remote desktop functionality. It can be used when the EMA agent is connected. When the EMA agent is not connected, this tab will be grayed out. The Terminal tab provides both in-band and out-of-band remote terminal functionality. Only text-based commands are supported. In order for the in-band remote terminal functionality to work, the EMA agent needs to be connected. For the out-of-band remote terminal functionality to work, Sira needs to be connected. The Files tab provides in-band remote file browsing functionality. It can be used when the EMA agent is connected. When the EMA agent is not connected, this tab will be grayed out. The Processes tab provides in-band remote process management functionality. This feature is implemented via Windows Management Instrumentation. It can be used when the EMA agent is connected. When the EMA agent is not connected, this tab will be grayed out. The WMI tab allows to run a Windows Management Instrumentation query or WMI action on the endpoint. It can be used when the EMA agent is connected. When the EMA agent is not connected, this tab will be grayed out. This video provided you with an overview of the different functionalities that are available on the Intel EMA web interface for an endpoint. Stay tuned for more videos that explain the functionalities of each of these tabs in detail. Thank you for joining us.